680, let's fucking go. So in the ARTGIRL shader strings and shader number 8 in our main function, within the yin-yang geometry loop where we're going through every single tile size exponent, we're going to get the geometry Texel Coord, the Texel that encodes the geometry payload. We have the lateral span of the level in tile that's derived from the tile size exponent using this lookup table. We're going to cast that to a vector where we just kind of duplicate these values and put it into here. We need to get the number of discrete units in the current tile size we're on. So we can do this little math hack here to get the power of 2 that corresponds to this tile size, and then multiply by the number of discrete units in a 1x tile. So the 0 here stands for tile size exponent 0. This is our global tile coordinate. So we're going to take our discrete sample point and divide by the number of take our discrete sample point, divide by the number of discrete units in one tile of the current tile size that we're on. So this is the global tile coordinate within the DOM, which is our renderable space. We need to get the internal local coordinates of the tile we want to render. So we're going to calculate this anti-remainder right here, which is the global tile coord multiplied by the number of discrete units in a single tile. We'll take this anti-remainder and chop it off from Doug to get a remainder, which will be our discrete internal local coordinate within the tile. This is our global room coordinate. We're going to take GTC and divide by the number of tiles in one level, and that will be our global room coordinate, aka our global level coordinate. The local map coordinate is a local tile coordinate somewhere within our level. And in order to get that, all we have to do is we have to calculate another anti-remainder. So the lateral span, the number of tiles in one level, multiplied by the room address we're in, the global room coord, the global level coord. And then we have to use this anti-remainder, chop it off from the global tile coord. Now we have a local tile coordinate. We're going to alias this to this, because it is a Texel fetch coordinate, and then the global map coordinate is the level map origin plus the local coordinate. We're going to cast that into an invec2 so that we can use this for a Texel fetch in this macro right here. So we're out of time. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I am out of fucking time.